Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to convert video to audio on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. If you want to convert your recorded screen or any other video file on your iPhone, you'll need an automated shortcut. To create one, open the Shortcuts app on your device. Tap the plus button in the upper right corner of the screen and rename the new shortcut. Let's name it Convert to MP3 for easier identification of its function. Next, press the Info button located below Toggle Off Show in Share Sheet and click Done to save your changes. Click the Any button on the action card to set the appropriate file format. Press Clear to reset all selections and activate only the media option. After modifying the share sheet, create another action by tapping the Add Action button. Then search for Encode Media. Tap the Angle button to expand the menu and activate audio. Finally, tap the search bar and look for Save File. Expand its menu and toggle on Overwrite if file exists. Now that everything is set up, click Done to save the new shortcut. To ensure that the shortcut works perfectly, check first some necessary configurations. Open the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down to Shortcuts and go to the Advanced menu. See to it that Allow Running Scripts is activated, otherwise the created shortcut may not appear in the share screen options. Now let's try converting a video file. Navigate to where you save the file and tap the Share button. Then browse through the listed options and choose Convert to MP3. The shortcut script will then automatically process the conversion and prompt you to save the file in your preferred folder. In my case, I save it to the Downloads folder in the On My iPhone directory and click Open to confirm. Once the conversion is complete, check if the file is saved successfully. Open the Files app and navigate to the folder where you've recently saved. As you can see, the video is successfully converted to an MP3 file. By default, the converted MP3 will have the same name as the original video. To change the file name, simply press and hold the file. Tap Rename and enter a new one. That's it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.